Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Priska Maharani with NIM 23029016. I will explain grammar, especially tense in English, and accompanied by example and comprehensive explanation. Chapter 1: Present and Past. Number 1: Simple present tense. In general, simple present tense sentence pattern include the following: subject plus verb 1 plus object. Number 1: Formula simple present tense affirmative sentence. Subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example: the student understand calculus well. Formula simple present tense sentence negative. Subject plus do divided does plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example: the student do not understand calculus well. A formula question from simple present tense: do divided does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example: do the student understand calculus well? Number 2: Progressive present tense. Present progressive express an activity that in progress at the moment of speaking. Formula the present progressive tense. Number 1: Affirmative sentence. Formula subject plus to be plus verb ing plus object. Example: she is solving algebraic equation right now. And question from progressive present tense. Formula to be plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Example: is she solving algebraic equation right now? Next, number 3: simple past tense. Simple past tense used to express action or event that occurred and were accomplished in the past. Formula simple past tense. Number 1: affirmative sentence. Formula subject plus verb to plus object. Example: she solved the algebraic equation correctly. Negative sentence simple past tense. Formula subject plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example: she did not solve the algebraic equation correctly. And question from simple past tense. Formula did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example: did she solve the algebraic equation correctly? Next, number 4: past progressive tense. Past progressive tense used to express action or event that were taking place in certain period of time in the past. Formula past progressive. Affirmative sentence. Formula subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. Example: he was simplifying algebraic expression while studying for the math exam. And negative sentence. Formula subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing plus object. Example: he was not using the wrong algebraic formula while working on the project. And question from the formula question from the past progressive: was or were plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Example: was he simplifying algebraic expression while prepare for the math exam? And next, chapter 2: perfect and perfect progressive. Number 1: present perfect tense. formula present perfect tense, affirmative sentence, the subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object. Example, she has mastered the concept of calculus. And formula present perfect tense, sentence negative, subject plus has or have plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Example, she has not struggled with calculus concept. And formula question from the present perfect tense, has or have plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Example, has she mastered the concept of calculus? And next, present perfect tense, since and for. Formula, the subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus since and plus certain time. Example, I have studied calculus since last August. And formula, the for subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus 4 and plus time duration. An example, he has studied calculus for a long time. And number 2, present perfect progressive. And formula present perfect progressive, sentence affirmative, subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. The example, she has been studying and calculus for the past 3 months. And negative sentence, the formula subject plus have or has plus not plus been and plus verb plus ing plus object. Example, he has not been using out that calculus textbook for in her class. And question sentence, the formula question test sentence, the present perfect progressive, has or have plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing and plus object. The example, has she been studying calculus for a long time? And number 3, past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used when we talk about thing or activity that have happened and finished in the past. The formula past perfect tense. The affirmative sentence. Subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Example, she had already solved the calculus problem before the match competition. Formula past perfect tense sentence negative, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus object. Example, he had not used out that calculus textbook for his self-study. And question from the past perfect tense formula, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Example, had she already solved the calculus problem before the math competition? And number 4, past perfect progressive. Perfect progressive is used when we talk about event or activity that were happening in the past. A formula past perfect progressive sentence affirmative, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, she had been working on calculus problem for hours before she finally understands them. And negative sentence past perfect progressive, the formula subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, she had not been struggling with calculus problem for long before she sought help. And question form, the past perfect set progressive formula had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Example, had she been working on calculus problem for a long time before she finally understand them? Chapter 3, Future Tense. Simple future tense form of will and be going to. Future tense will is used to express and spontaneous and prediction or general action in the future. Formula, the simple future tense will, affirmative subject plus will plus verb, verb 1 plus object. The example, she will solve the calculus problem before deadline. And negative sentence, the formula subject plus will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Example, she will not solve the calculus problem before deadline. And question from the formula will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example, will she solve the calculus problem before deadline? Next, be going to. Be going to is used to plan or express a strong intention to do something in the future. Formula to formula be going to, affirmative sentence subject plus be plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Example, she is going to participate in calculus competition in the near future. We are going to use to plan or express a strong intention to do something in the future. The formula be going to, sentence affirmative subject plus be plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Example, she is going to participate in a calculus competition in the near future. And formula, be going to, sentence negative subject plus be plus not plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Example, she is not going to participate in calculus competition in the near future. And question from the be going to, the formula be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Is she going to participate in calculus competition in the near future? And next, uh, future progressive. The formula future progressive, sentence affirmative, the subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object. Example, she will be studying advanced calculus all night to prepare for exam. And negative sentence, formula subject plus will plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object. Example, she will not be studying advanced calculus all night to prepare for the exam. The question from the formula future progressive: will plus subject plus be plus verb in plus object. The example: will she be studying advanced calculus all night to prepare for the exam? The next, future perfect. Future perfect is used to talk about things that have happened in the future. The formula future perfect: the affirmative sentence, subject plus will plus have and plus verb 3 and object. Example: I will have completed the algebra course. And future perfect and negative sentence formula: subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Example: I will not have completed the algebra course. And question from the formula future perfect: will plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Will I have completed the algebra course? The next is future perfect progressive. The formula future perfect progressive sentence affirmative: subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb in plus object. Example: I will have been studying algebra for hours by the time you arrive. And formula future perfect progressive sentence negative: subject plus will plus not plus have plus been and plus verb in plus object. Example: I will not have been studying algebra for hours by the time you arrive. And formula future perfect progressive sentence question: will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb in plus object. Example: will I have been studying algebra for hours by the time you arrive? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.